In this video, we will demonstrate the registration process from an administrator's perspective, including how an administrator can assist a member with the registration and also with resetting their password. If a member is having some difficulty with registering for your website, an administrator can register them on their behalf. In order to do so, an administrator would just log into the website and click Switch to Club Central. Then we're going to go ahead and navigate into our Users tab. In order for an administrator to register a member on their behalf, we're going to click that Register Member button. Next thing you can do is go ahead and search for your member if need be, by their name, last name starts with, member number, or if you want to filter the member status. So for example, if we uncheck all and only select our active members, do a search for that, that's only going to show us our active member accounts. Then we can go ahead and scroll down to the table below. You're going to look for your member and click that Create Account button. By default, the username will be populated with the member's first initial and last name, but you're definitely more than welcome to change this for them. And also note that the username is not case sensitive, only the password. The email field will allow you to select an email address via the drop-down, which will include any email addresses that this member has on file in your backend system. If there is no email address in the backend system, this field will be blank and an email can now be entered. Once this email is entered and the user is saved, the email address will automatically be populated within the backend system for you. You will want to ensure that this Send Set Password email to the member is checked off, because once we click this Save button, the member will then receive an email allowing them to set their password, which is the final step in creating their account. If a member is having problems resetting their password on the website, an administrator can send the member a reset password email. In order to do this, the administrator will log into the website, switch to Club Central, and click back on that Users tab. Then the next step is to confirm the email address or username that the member is trying to reset their password with, to make sure that that information is correct with what is found here. So that email address we can see in the field here, or the username. To reset a member's password on their behalf, we're going to click the pencil icon located beside their username. Then all you have to do is go ahead and click that Send New Password, and this will send that member the same set password email as if they were to do so themselves through the website. As a last resort, we do have the Reset Password option, which allows you as an administrator to set this member's password on their behalf. If we click this button, you'll see that there are some instructions here. However, if you are familiar with an incognito or private browser, we can use that instead of having to log out of our account on the website, because note that you can only be logged into one account at a time. So the trick is just highlight that URL, right-click on your browser and do your incognito or private window, and go ahead and set the password for that member. After you've resetted that password, you just switch over to our live site. It is recommended that once a member logs into the website with their new password, that they click on their name or under Member Central and change their password. In the main user screen, we can see here all the accounts that have been registered for the website. You can search for a member by entering a member's username, full name, email, or member number in the search box and clicking the search button. This list is currently sorted by full name, where you can see the arrow beside full name within the table. If you'd like to sort by another column, simply click on the header and it will then sort by that column for you. If you like, you can definitely go ahead and uncheck every user type but member and click that search button. This will show you all the members that have actually registered for your website. Some of the fields you can see in this table include when the account was created and when the member actually last logged into the website. Also, if you click the Actions button, you can go ahead and export this to Excel if you'd like this information for reporting purposes.